Did you know that if yawning became permanent, humanity would end in 72 hours? It starts with one person. Mid-yawn, their jaw locks open forever. They can't eat, can't speak, just drool. But here's the nightmare part. You still see them yawning. So you yawn back. And now you're stuck too. Within hours, entire offices are frozen with gaping mouths. Restaurants close, schools shut down. Everyone's desperately covering their eyes, but it's too late. The last survivors wear blindfolds, stumbling through a world of permanent yawners, praying they don't accidentally look.